In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Kit opt-in forms. We're going to walk through the process from start to finish, so by the end, you'll have a working form on your site that's ready to collect subscribers. I'll also point out a few best practices along the way so you understand why you're clicking each thing, not just what to click. First, head into your Kit account and look for the area called Grow. This is where everything related to audience growth and list building lives. Inside Grow, you'll see an option labeled Landing Pages and Forms. Go ahead and click that. This is the dashboard where all of your existing forms are listed and where you'll create new ones. Next, we're going to create a brand new form. In the top area of this page, click the button that says Create New and then choose Form. This tells Kit that you're setting up an opt-in form, not a full landing page or anything else. Now you'll be asked to select a display type. This is simply how and where your form will appear on your site. You have a few options. Inline means the form is embedded directly into your content, like in the middle or at the end of a blog post. This is a great choice if you want the opt-in to feel like a natural part of the page. Modal is a pop-up that appears based on visitor behavior, such as time on page or when someone is about to leave. This works well for capturing attention, but use it thoughtfully so it doesn't feel intrusive. Finally, you have slide-in or sticky bar options. These are more subtle placements along the edge or top of the screen that stay visible without completely interrupting the visitor's experience. Once you've chosen the display type that fits your goal, you'll pick a template. Select a template that's close to the look and layout you want. After that, you can click directly on any element in the preview to edit it. Change the headline text so it clearly explains what people are signing up for, adjust the colors to match your brand, and update the fields so you're collecting only the information you truly need, like name and email. Next, click on Settings, then on Incentive. This is where you can set up what happens after someone subscribes. You can have Kit automatically deliver a lead magnet, such as a free guide or checklist, or you can customize the confirmation email they receive. Take a moment here to write a clear, friendly message so new subscribers know exactly what to expect next. When everything looks good and your settings are in place, click Publish. Kit will generate a piece of JavaScript code for you. Copy that code and paste it into your website where you want the form to appear. Once the code is embedded and your site is updated, your new Kit opt-in form will be live and ready to start growing your list.